1. 1978 Chevrolet Malibu Street/Drag. Price, $25,000, located, China Township, Michigan. The 1978 Chevrolet Malibu Street/Drag is a professionally built pro street machine that successfully combines competitive drag racing capability with full street legality, making it an exciting choice for enthusiasts who enjoy both performance and weekend cruising. Registered and licensed for public roads, this lightweight Malibu weighs approximately 2,500 pounds, creating an excellent power-to-weight ratio for impressive acceleration and responsive handling. The seller describes the vehicle as both street-legal and drag-ready, offering the versatility to participate in local cruise nights before heading directly to the racetrack. Built with serious performance in mind, the car has been carefully prepared to deliver dependable operation while maintaining the unmistakable appearance of a classic late 70s Chevrolet muscle car. Its aggressive stance and purpose-built design immediately attract attention wherever it appears. Whether competing at bracket races, attending automotive events, or simply enjoying spirited weekend drives, this Malibu offers a balanced combination of reliability and performance. The seller also provides additional build details through photographs, allowing prospective buyers to review the complete specifications. Combining lightweight construction, classic Chevrolet styling, street legality, and proven drag racing capability, this 1978 Malibu represents an outstanding opportunity for enthusiasts seeking an affordable and versatile American performance classic. 2. 1970 Dodge Challenger Pro Street. Price, $30,500, located, Tipton, Indiana. The 1970 Dodge Challenger Pro Street is an outstanding American muscle car that combines legendary Mopar styling with the aggressive character of a professionally built pro street machine. Finished as a complete performance package, this Challenger is being offered together with all of the components listed by the seller, making it an excellent opportunity for enthusiasts seeking a serious custom project or finished performance vehicle. The seller emphasizes that everything is being sold together as a complete package and will not be separated, providing tremendous value for buyers interested in acquiring multiple performance components at once. Built around one of the most desirable muscle car platforms ever produced, this Challenger delivers the unmistakable appearance and road presence that have made the 1970 model highly collectible among enthusiasts worldwide. Its aggressive stance and classic body lines ensure it stands out whether displayed at automotive events or enjoyed during weekend cruises. Offered in good overall condition, this Pro Street Challenger presents an exciting opportunity to own an iconic Mopar with outstanding potential for continued customization, restoration, or performance upgrades while preserving its timeless American muscle heritage. 3. 1985 Mercury Capri Pro Street. Price, $28,000, located, Tollsboro, Kentucky. The 1985 Mercury Capri Pro Street is a professionally constructed street-legal race car built to deliver exceptional drag strip performance while remaining fully titled, insured, and licensed for public roads. Under the hood sits a powerful 376 cubic inch Dart small block Ford engine equipped with premium Brodix cylinder heads, a high-lift solid roller camshaft, vacuum pump, and a 1000 CFM carburetor supported by a nitrous oxide system. Documentation for the engine build is included, providing confidence in the quality of the mechanical components. The chassis has been professionally caged and mini-tubbed, while weld beadlock wheels, a Ford 9-inch rear axle, and a fully rollerized C4 automatic transmission ensure dependable performance under hard acceleration. Additional race-ready features include a trans-brake and line lock for consistent launches. According to the seller, the Capri consistently records impressive mid-5-second eighth-mile times with nitrous and 6-second naturally aspirated passes. Combining proven race engineering, dependable Ford performance, and full street legality, this Mercury Capri offers an outstanding opportunity for enthusiasts seeking a versatile pro street machine capable of both competitive racing and weekend cruising. 4. 1969 Plymouth Valiant Pro Street Rolling Chassis. Price, $32,000, located, Franklin, Pennsylvania. The 1969 Plymouth Valiant Pro Street Rolling Chassis is a professionally engineered race platform built for serious drag racing enthusiasts seeking a premium foundation for a high-performance custom build. Designed with a professionally fabricated 4-link rear suspension and mini-tubbed chassis, this lightweight Mopar is ready to accommodate substantial horsepower while maintaining excellent stability during hard launches. The chassis is equipped with Holley electronic fuel injection components, a cable-driven fuel pump, radial valved racing shocks, beadlock wheels, and a highly desirable ultra-cation front suspension system. Twin 88mm turbocharger plumbing is already installed, allowing the next owner to complete the vehicle with an engine and transmission of their choice. The seller notes that the chassis has previously achieved mid-4-second performance, demonstrating the quality of the engineering and suspension setup. Certified to 7.50 specifications, this professionally prepared race car offers an outstanding level of safety and capability for competitive drag racing. Combining premium racing hardware, legendary Mopar heritage, and unlimited drivetrain flexibility, this Plymouth Valiant represents an exceptional opportunity for experienced racers seeking a top-quality rolling chassis. 5. 1970 Chevrolet Nova Pro Street. Price, $25,500, located, Carrollton, Ohio. The 1970 Chevrolet Nova Pro Street is a beautifully built American muscle car that combines classic styling with dependable big block Chevrolet performance and outstanding street presence. Finished in blue with a black interior, this custom Nova has approximately 7,630 miles and remains in excellent overall condition. Originally equipped as a factory 4-speed car, the clutch pedal remains installed, preserving part of its original heritage while now utilizing a dependable turbo 400 automatic transmission paired with a 3,500 stall converter. Power comes from a formidable Chevrolet 468 big block V8 delivering impressive acceleration and unmistakable muscle car sound. A durable rear axle equipped with 4.56 gears and a 4-point rear suspension provides excellent traction while maintaining dependable performance during spirited driving. According to the seller, the vehicle has only been displayed at car shows and has never been raced on a drag strip, helping preserve its excellent condition. Built originally in western Missouri, this Nova continues to attract attention wherever it appears. Combining timeless Chevrolet styling, proven mechanical upgrades, and dependable performance, this Pro Street Nova is an outstanding opportunity for collectors and performance enthusiasts alike. 6. 1963 Plymouth Belvedere Savoy Pro Street. Price, $24,900, located, Bartlett, Illinois. The 1963 Plymouth Belvedere Savoy Pro Street is a true nostalgia-inspired super stock hot rod that combines authentic Mopar heritage with proven drag racing performance and outstanding street manners. Constructed with an all-steel body except for the hood scoop, this beautifully preserved classic has enjoyed a rich racing history dating back to the 1970s while remaining carefully stored indoors throughout its life. Power comes from a formidable 440 cubic inch Mopar V8 featuring 11:1 compression, a purple shaft camshaft, roller rockers, a new torquer intake manifold, and a custom-built 850 CFM carburetor. A heavy-duty 727 TorqueFlite automatic transmission with reverse manual valve body and 3,500 stall converter delivers dependable performance to the rear wheels. Recent upgrades include a new fuel system, electric exhaust cutouts, steering box, wheels, tires, windshield, and turbo cheetah shifter. The seller also highlights the complete interior, clean title, and extensive ownership history. This Belvedere consistently attracts attention at local cruise nights while preserving its authentic nostalgia racing character, making it an exceptional opportunity for collectors and dedicated Mopar enthusiasts. 7. 1969 Chevrolet Camaro Pro Street Supercharged. Price, $50,000, located, Port Huron, Michigan. The 1969 Chevrolet Camaro Pro Street Supercharged is a professionally built street machine that combines iconic first-generation Camaro styling with exceptional big block Chevrolet performance. Finished in black with a matching black interior, this custom Camaro has approximately 1,000 miles and remains in outstanding condition with a clean title. Under the hood sits a professionally built 427 cubic inch Chevrolet big block V8 equipped with a WEON 671 supercharger, dual quick fuel carburetors, forged rotating assembly, performance cylinder heads, crane blower camshaft, and MSD ignition system. A turbo 400 automatic transmission with 3,500 stall converter transfers power through a narrowed Ford 9-inch rear axle featuring 4.11 gears, Detroit locker differential, Mark Williams axles, and a 4-link suspension. Additional highlights include a fiberglass tilt front end, full roll cage, fuel cell, dual electric fuel pumps, stainless braided fuel lines, long tube headers, and dual batteries. According to the seller, the Camaro runs on pump gasoline, drives exceptionally well, and is regularly enjoyed on the street. This remarkable Pro Street Camaro delivers premium craftsmanship, dependable performance, and unmistakable American muscle car appeal. 8. 1971 Plymouth Duster Pro Street Project. Price, $25,000, located, Belle Vernon, Pennsylvania. The 1971 Plymouth Duster Pro Street Project is a professionally prepared Mopar muscle car built with serious drag racing performance in mind while still offering tremendous potential for further refinement. Constructed with a professionally installed 12-point roll cage and reinforced engine mounting plate, this Duster provides the structural strength necessary for high horsepower applications. The body has been expertly mini-tubbed to accommodate wider rear tires and rides on classic Weld Pro Star wheels that perfectly complement its aggressive stance. Power comes from a formidable 440 cubic inch Mopar V8 board 60,000 SOVR and equipped with gold crane roller rockers, a Mopar purple shaft camshaft, and a polished steel crankshaft. A dependable 727 automatic transmission with a 3,800 stall converter transfers power to a durable Dana 60 rear axle fitted with 4.10 gears, while a brand new Richmond 4.88 gear set is also included. New Flowmaster mufflers and exhaust complete the package. Combining legendary Mopar heritage, proven racing components, and outstanding project potential, this Duster is an excellent opportunity for enthusiasts seeking a serious pro street machine. 9. 1979 Chevrolet Malibu Pro Street. Price, $25,000, located, North Canton, Ohio. The 1979 Chevrolet Malibu Pro Street is a powerful custom muscle car that blends classic late 70s styling with dependable big block Chevrolet performance and proven Pro Street engineering. Finished in vibrant orange with a gray interior, this aggressive Malibu is powered by a Chevrolet 454 big block V8 board 30,000 SOVR and equipped with a Comp Performance camshaft, ported in polished cylinder heads, stainless steel valves, and Comp roller rockers. Power is delivered through a dependable turbo 350 automatic transmission featuring a 2,600 stall converter, providing smooth operation and strong acceleration. A durable Ford 9-inch rear axle with 3.50 posi gears and a professionally installed 4-link suspension ensures excellent traction while maintaining predictable handling characteristics. Massive Mickey Thompson Sportsman rear tires complete the unmistakable Pro Street appearance while providing impressive grip. According to the seller, the vehicle is offered for cash only with no trades considered. Combining proven Chevrolet big block reliability, quality drivetrain components, classic Malibu styling, and an aggressive stance, this 1979 Chevrolet Malibu Pro Street is an outstanding opportunity for collectors and enthusiasts seeking an exciting American performance classic ready for weekend cruising and automotive events. 10. 1972 Chevrolet Chevelle Pro Street. Price, $52,500, located, Cleveland, Ohio. The 1972 Chevrolet Chevelle Pro Street is an exceptional frame-off restoration that combines award-quality craftsmanship with dependable big block Chevrolet performance and modern street drivability. Finished in stunning metallic maroon with black striping, this professionally restored muscle car has been meticulously rebuilt from top to bottom with virtually every component either replaced or upgraded. Power comes from a fuel-injected Chevrolet 396 big block V8 equipped with Holley Sniper electronic fuel injection, forged Eagle rotating assembly, Edelbrock intake manifold, hydraulic performance camshaft, and a Be Cool aluminum radiator. A TCI Street Fighter Turbo 350 automatic transmission with a B&M 2500 stall converter transfers power to a 12-bolt posi rear axle fitted with strange axles and 4.10 gears. Willwood front disc brakes, QA1 shocks, tubular suspension components, ladder bars, line lock, and a complete American auto-wire harness provide outstanding performance and reliability. The beautifully detailed engine bay, flawless undercarriage, and premium black bucket seat interior demonstrate the extraordinary quality of this restoration. This remarkable Chevelle offers show-quality presentation, dependable street manners, and impressive muscle car performance in one outstanding package. 11. 1971 Chevrolet Nova Pro Street Drag Car. Price, $32,500, located, Gladwin, Michigan. The 1971 Chevrolet Nova Pro Street Drag Car is a professionally built competition machine designed for enthusiasts who appreciate exceptional horsepower and dependable race-ready engineering. Built around a powerful blueprint 632 cubic inch Chevrolet big block V8, this purpose-built Nova has been assembled to deliver outstanding straight-line performance while maintaining the unmistakable appearance of one of Chevrolet's most respected muscle car platforms. According to the seller, complete specifications for the vehicle are available in the accompanying photographs, allowing prospective buyers to review the extensive list of performance components and upgrades. The aggressive stance, lightweight construction, and race-inspired setup clearly demonstrate that this Nova was built with competition in mind while still attracting attention at automotive events and exhibitions. The seller prefers to negotiate only in person, emphasizing confidence in the quality and presentation of the vehicle. Combining legendary Nova styling, exceptional big block power, professional drag racing preparation, and premium mechanical components, this 1971 Chevrolet Nova represents an outstanding opportunity for experienced racers or collectors seeking a highly capable Pro Street machine with tremendous performance potential. 12. 1990 Chevrolet Corvette Pro Street. Price, $22,500, located, Albertville, Alabama. The 1990 Chevrolet Corvette Pro Street is a professionally modified American sports car that combines modern Corvette styling with outstanding supercharged V8 performance and serious drag racing capability. Powered by a freshly built Chevrolet 383-stroker V8 equipped with a high-performance supercharger, this custom Corvette delivers exceptional horsepower through a professionally prepared automatic transmission featuring a reverse manual valve body for precise gear selection. A durable Dana 60 rear axle and professionally engineered 4-link rear suspension provide outstanding strength and excellent traction during hard acceleration. Additional performance features include wheelie bars and a brand new set of tires, making the vehicle well prepared for both competition and spirited street driving. Inside, the cabin features attractive red leather seats along with a full roll cage that enhances both safety and structural rigidity. The seller describes the vehicle as being in good overall condition and ready for its next owner to enjoy immediately. Combining dependable Chevrolet performance, premium racing components, aggressive Pro Street styling, and the timeless appeal of the Corvette platform, this custom 1990 Corvette represents an outstanding value for enthusiasts seeking a unique American performance machine.